June 10th, Lake Austin, Walsh Landing. Possibly some rain. That's good overcast. We got some chatterbait for the grass, a lot of grass. We got 2 topwater, Texas rig, flippin' slash punch, crank, Senko. There you go, grass is stopping at 15 feet right there. Ooh, that's a dark sky. Jeez. Get it. Missed it. That's where they are though. You gotta put it right on the wall. Finally got one on topwater, a whopper plopper. Little guy. Oh, don't pee on me. Pee on my cooler. 14 and a quarter. Pretty color. I love that dark color. I got the hook set, but I gotta get him out of the sticks. Oh no! Got him tangled up. Big old catfish. Dirty dog. Get off me. Dirty catfish. Oh, good fight though. Look at my fish grips. Ah, there we go. There you go. A little 2-pounder. Oh, sorry. There you go. Ah. Yeah. Hours, I got 4 fish plus a catfish. I came back out of the cove trying to fish the ledges. Keep getting short strikes. A lot of them. It's now 11 o'clock. GoPro, stop recording. I missed the fish about 20 minutes ago. This is a terrible limit. So it's almost impossible to fish out on the lake with the wake boats, man. They're really bad today. Oh no, he bit my pants. All right, dude, come here. Oh, I got you, I got you. All I can do today is catch a dink. Look at that, $12.75. Ladybird, Saturday, July 19th, 10 a.m. Been fishing since 6 a.m. Decent frog bite in the morning. Went 1 for 3, 16.5 inch on frog. Then it just kind of died down. I did pick up a 22.25 on frog, but that was my last frog bite 2 hours ago. So I'm pushing down to the south end where I never go. Picked up another 16.5, and that's about it. Sitting in the bowl of Ladybird down by the dam. There's a high point out here. There's bait sitting on top of it. fish coming in and out of it to feed. Only 12 feet of water on this high point. Hump, rather. And I just thought I saw a big old wolf pack 70 feet out. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording. Oh, mother. July 20th, Decker. Trying to add some size to a limit. For big baits, we're going to throw a big worm, maybe a jig. Worm in the grass, jig on a rock. We got some top water. We got some big bait. I got that locked down. No joke. This is probably the deepest set of reeds on the whole lake now. Got him. Stuck him. Oh, you're a little dude. Come on. Boing, boing. How soft that shit is. There's one right there. Oh, I missed him. Son of a bitch. Outside weed line. Got 2 kayaks on my ass. Interesting how I missed that one now. I gave it to him. Go. You're all gonna be dinks. 2 for 3 this morning. Yeehaw. Braids wrapped again. Another dank. Ah, you're biting me. You're biting me. Look at those dragonflies. Squadron. He jumped out of the water after it. That was amazing. That was amazing. Come on, bigger bass. What do I need? Ha ha ha! Wrong species. Sitting on the bottom, 20 feet of water. Ay, ay, ay. Spine me good, spine me good. Chunky little dude. Maybe my measuring board's still up there. Right when it hit. Looks like a decent fish. Let's just not tear him off. Oh, good jump. Catch it. End. Haha. Oh, he's very, very mad. Very, very mad. Very, very mad. Very, very mad. Let's put that in there. All right, buddy. I want to set you free. You got me good and tangled there. Good and tangled. Right. Hey, whoa, let's not throw hooks. Don't throw hooks. Don't throw hooks. Oh boy, he's super rad. But you didn't make it. 17 and a quarter. 17 and a quarter. Nice fish. Thanks, bud. Oh, damn. Bit me on the way out. One jumped in the background while I got a bite. Oh, nice. Delicate with him. No. I don't think you're gonna help me, bud. Let's see. I don't. Oh, that's too close to my face. Too close to my face, my friend. Come here. I don't think you're gonna help me. You are 14 and a half. All right, let's do one more. All right, for a good minute. Thanks, buddy. Jeez.